Good morning kabayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Amia Rosa 2, Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas para i-feature yung property na to na nasa likod natin na ready for occupancy. Meron itong lot area na 140 square meters at floor area na 78 square meters. Selling at 8.5 million. Tara kabayan. So let's start with the parking area. So sa parking area kabayan, pwede dito dalawang sasakyan, tandem parking kung maliit ang ating sasakyan, pero kung malaki kabayan, ay hindi kakasya ang dalawang SUV. No? Siguro baka lumabas yung uso niya rito pag SUV. And this is our pedestrian kabayan. And itong space na to, this will be our provision for future expansion. So pwede nyo ipa-landscape upon turnover. And pwede natin palagyan ng gate yan dito, just like kung ano yung ginawa ng iba na nakalipat na rito sa Amia Rosa 2, nagpalagay na sila ng gate. And ang kagandahan nito kabayan, because this is a single attached unit, meron pa tayong extra space dito sa gilid. Yan, so ito yung magiging lanay area natin kabayan, and this will be our sliding door dito sa lanay area. So upon turnover, pwede tayong magpalagay ng roofing dyan or canopy para magkaroon tayo ng shade dito sa ating lanay area. Pasukan naman natin yung kabuuhan ng ating unit. Yan, this will be a main door kabayan. So pagpasok natin, open layout lang ito. Dito yung ating magiging living area, dining area, and doon yung ating magiging kitchen area. So let's start with the ground floor. This is a 60 by 60 granite tiles. Ito yung ating mga windows. Yan, sliding window tayo. Yan, yung kagandahan din ng sliding window. May free flow of light tayo. And even dito sa ating sliding door, sliding window. And makita natin, this is a painted na kabayang complete unit turnover. At ito yung ating toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Tara, dito naman tayo sa ating kitchen area. So this will be our kitchen area. This is a complete unit turnover. This is our kitchen sink. Ito yung ating under cabinet. And yung pinto kanina na nakita natin sa may parking, ito yon. So kung sakaling galing tayo ng wet market, yung mga pinamili natin, pwede na diretso natin dito para hindi na tayo dumaan sa ating main door. Akitin naman natin ang second floor. So ito yung ating stairs. Ang stairs natin, wooden steps. And ito yung ating handrail. So ganun din, no? May mga glass panel tayo dito, even dito sa taas for the free flow of light. So dito sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So let's start with the flooring. So naka-vinyl tiles tayo. Yung walls natin painted na with ceiling. Let's go sa ating common toilet and bath. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Yan, that is our common toilet and bath. And this will be our bedroom number 1. Provision for window type aircon. Our sliding window. And this is our bedroom number 1. Vinyl tiles and painted wall, ceiling. Let's go to the bedroom number 2. So yung bedroom number 2, halos mirror lang siya ng bedroom number 1. This will be our sliding window, provision for window type aircon, our flooring, ceiling, and our walls. So kabayan, this is a complete unit turnover. Let's go to the bedroom number 3. So this is our bedroom number 3. Kung makita natin, may mga glass panel tayo rito for the free flow of light. Natural light po ito. And even here, may mga sliding window tayo. And this one is our provision for window type aircon. Ito yung ating flooring. Naka-vinyl tiles tayo. Painted wall. And ang maganda dito kabayan, in bedroom number 3, meron tong sariling toilet and bath. Yan yung ating toilet and bath. Dito sa bedroom number 3. Yun. So let's go naman sa added feature ng property nito, which is the balcony. So ito yung ating balcony kabayan. Yan, sa balcony, ito yung makikita natin yung pinaka-actual turnover, pinaka-actual community. Yan, so may community na po rito sa Amia Rosa 2, Lipa City, Batangas. So we have mga units na mga binibenta rito o in-offer na ready for occupancy. So ganun kabayan, magkaroon na tayo ng konting recap. The flat area of this property is 140 square meters. The floor area, 78 square meters. May dining area, living area, kitchen area, and may parking area. Sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and to toilet and bath. And kabayan, this is selling at 8.5 million. So kung interested kayo kabayan sa property na to, feel free to inquire, mag-message kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo at may ipakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang community dito sa Mia Rosa, Tulipa City, Batangas. By the way kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you!